What's up, guys? Good day and welcome to my channel once again. It is not new that a lot of people have been facing difficulty about Tapswap since morning, and the first problem I announced earlier was that Tapswap announced in their official Telegram community that they are undergoing maintenance, and it is going to be available in short period of time. Can you see it now? This is the one I'm talking about. But later on, they were able to solve the problem, but another problem also results. And the problem that results is this: when you come to your Tapswap and click on back to Tapswap, instead of you to direct you to where you're able to tap in, it will show you this: verifying you are human. This may take a few seconds. As a result of that, many people have not been able to tap their Tapswap since morning. But worry not, I have discovered the shortest way to solve this problem and continue tapping. So all you need to do is to continue watching this video till the end. And if it's your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. If you come to this place and you click on back to Tapswap and it's not working, so kindly go to Google Play Store. Alright guys, this is my Google Play Store. The next thing you are going to do is to search for SVPN. Or you can use any VPN of your choice, but I prefer using SVPN because it's the one that is working for me. This is the SVPN I'm talking about. I have downloaded it, although it's showing updates, but I can't update it right now because it's still working. So what you're going to do is this: when you download the SVPN, the next thing you're going to do is to click on open. So you search for your SVPN and open. So you're going to connect it now. When you open, this is how the interface looks like. Click on connect. It will just load and connect. It will not take time. Do you see it now? It will be connected successfully. Now go back to your Tapswap on Telegram. Click on back to Tapswap. Just wait for it and see it as it is going to work right now. Do you see it now? It is working perfectly. And I've been using this method to tap since morning. It is nothing to panic about. Nothing's happened to your Tapswap, and they are going to launch on 30th of this month. So follow this step-by-step process. It might happen that maybe Nigeria users have been too much on this Tapswap, and they are doing this to reduce the number of people. So this is what you should do. And if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.